Hi everyone, it's Kathleen Dunphy. Welcome to my studio. I'm up in Northern California, in Murphy's, California, and it's a beautiful day here today, and I'm going to take you on a tour of my studio and show you my workspace. So let me grab the camera and I'll take you indoors. Okay, it's a beautiful spring day out here. This is the entrance to the studio. No studio tour would be complete without looking at my dogs. So this is Tizzy, and then we have Ellie, who's here waiting in the door for me like a good girl. Just watered my plants, so there's some water running here across the studio, but we'll step over that and go inside. So here's the studio. This is where I work. It's part of the house, so it's just another room in the house. I always like to work in the home. I feel like I get more done because I can just run in between things and get a couple things done instead of having to drive someplace every time I want to get work done. So I'll give you a quick walk through here. These are some of my plein air studies that I did back before we had to stay home. These were in December and January up in the Sierra. Let's see, that one in the middle was from last summer up on Sonora Pass. That one was up near Tahoe, and that one's at Pinecrest Lake. A little bit further over here, this is my drawing table with paper ready to go to do a charcoal drawing. These are two wildflower paintings that I did this week. We're having quite the bloom this year of flowers, and it was nice to get out and do that. These are some other plein air studies that I have kept over the years that I just wanted to hold on to instead of putting on the market. A couple works in progress, 30 by 40 from up in Hope Valley. And then this one down at the bottom here is also, it's either 30 by 40 or 3648. And I'm working on, that's from up on the Eastern Sierra. These are some more studies that I did in the fall at Rock Creek Lake and also up in Hope Valley in January. Sliding over here. This is my main workspace here, my big easel. Right now up on the easel is the painting that will be in the California Art Club Gold Medal show this year. It's going to be an online show, but people can still take a look at the paintings and enjoy looking at the work that everybody from the California Art Club has done. You can see all of my messy supplies over here, my Rembrandt paints, my rosemary brushes, my Gamblin Gamsol, and all other kinds of junk that I have. Over here, to complete the loop, these are some gouache studies that I've done recently. Having fun playing with that also. So I will leave you with a little view of my studio mascot. This is Tizzy. Oops. Being her comical self. Thanks for watching.